Hey Wolverines, today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. It is our very first Tuesday of the new year. So today we're going to be talking about being a learner for our PBIS assembly. So the really cool thing about being a learner is that we're constantly learning. No matter where we are, no matter what we're doing, we are always learning. So our focus this month is going to be on asking questions, sharing our thoughts and ideas, responding to others, and making sure that you attend all your Zoom classes. So you have some schedule changes this month and you have some more FaceTime with your teachers. So we want to make sure that we are being a learner and focusing on our learning during the month of January. Next up, we are going to go to our affirmation. So our affirmation for the month of January is a new one. So I'm going to share my screen again with you so you can see our new affirmation. It's called What I Am to Be. So I'm going to say one line and then I'm going to give you time to repeat after me. What I am to be. I am now becoming. So I will study hard, stay focused on things of worth, and learn, learn, learn. Great job. That's a short one. It allows us to focus our brain. Remember, we use our eyes, our ears, our brain to focus our attention on what we are going to be working on for the month of January. Next up, we are going to hear our school song. So please follow along. Pretty rad, Wolverines. Great singing. Next up, we're going to go back to Miss Anderson's class to hear our Wolverine chant.
I am safe. Yes, I am. I'm responsible. Yes, I am. I'm respectful. Yes, I am. I'm a learner. Yes, I am. I'm a Wolverine. Follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am.
And that's it for our January PBIS Assembly. Let's remember to be a learner and grow those brains this month. If you would like, you can stand up and do the pledge along with me to end our assembly by placing our hands on our heart and saying, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Wolverines, I hope you have a great January with loads of learning, and I will see you all real soon.